Hey everyone, welcome back to CryptoCache. Thanks again for joining me here. Hope you're having a fantastic day. Quick look here at Render, seeing what's going on. Double checking a few key things here. We're back up above the cloud, sort of. We'll talk about that. And of course, these key levels we discussed previously. Hope you didn't short this coin, because again, even though it pulled back and we expected a bearish backtest that level, CPI data came out very strong here today, so obviously make sure, again, you always trade with a stop loss and never just let coins run off on you. So if you're new to the channel, welcome aboard. I've got a trading academy, community, and signals group if you're curious. Check that out, of course. Get a lot of questions about how beneficial it is. Lately, it's been pretty awesome. Our day trades have been killing it. XRP, Solana, Cardano, Litecoin, ETH. Really good profits there in the last roughly 24 hours or 26 minutes, depending on which trades you took there. Same thing with Premium 2 here. Near protocol, 40% in 5 days. And we've got 4 other trades open right now to the upside, likely to hit their targets. I'm going to probably adjust some profit targets and or stop losses just to ensure we secure profit or walk away, break even at this point, because some of those coins kind of scared us a little bit. I totally get it. Not a problem. We'll get through it. Okay, so daily time frame. Let's work our way down, see what's going on here. And we talked about this previously, just how bullish the macro is for Render. There's nothing's changed here. It's still looking pretty strong. I got a tentative bounce off this 50 to 60 range for RSI. Money flow index still high. Stochastic and MACD are starting to pull back. That's very standard, considering how high up the price came, and now it's been kind of slowly going sideways. But we do look at this point of control here. We can see there's a lot of volume at this level at about $11.10. Secondary to that, $7.75. So we're kind of just below the most recent highest point for that. And it's referred to as a point of control because of the fact that with a lot of volume at specific areas, that kind of tells you that the price action is either a resistance at that level with it above or support it with it below. Okay, so generally that's what we're looking at there. But most things are favorable here on the daily, just letting us know there's probably going to be some confidence in taking a long trade with this coin. You probably don't want to short into it. Just super strong. A lot of AI coins are actually doing very well right now. Take a look at Render though, we can double check. We're tentatively above all these important levels here. We're right there at that 0.618 fib level. We close at 1065 or higher today. We should have a solid chance at continuing further up. Now again, just because we're above these moving averages doesn't imply we're just going to continue to move upwards, but with this extra amount of volume, a lot of volume coming in this most recent time frame, last 4 hours, it's a very solid consideration for a long. Okay, again, try not to short coins like this that are exuding this kind of strength, especially when you break through the 50 in the RSI. Stochastic swinging up, money flow index is tapering off, but MACD is converging here too. Basically, we've got like 9 out of 10 reasons here why a long position is much more viable than a short position at this point. Now again, we've had these false positives in the past with Bitcoin showing its confirming factors and then instantly dumping. But this feels a little different, especially with the amount of volume coming into the coins. So again, a lot of good stuff here. Altcoins are increasing and surging right now, while Bitcoin dominance is also increasing. It's a very, very good sign for the overall situation here. I know it seems weird, but generally speaking, even though we want Bitcoin dominance to come back down, the fact that it's going up right now with Bitcoin and alts are going up too implies that when it does pull back, alts are going to be ready to rock and roll. If we can get this Bitcoin dominance upwards closer to 60%, we're going to be in a really, really prime position to see the price continue further up, at least for most altcoins. Okay, for right now, that we're kind of in that weird transition. It's just kind of par for the course. Hourly time frame, Ichimoku cloud, we can confirm here. We're not above the cloud. It's right there at that 0.618 fib level. So all the more reason why we want to wait for a daily candlestick closure at 1065, maybe just say 1070 or higher. We talked about that yesterday being at that important level, and at this point here, we're kind of smack dab in the middle of a lot of price action, so there's not like a perfect situation. Lag and span is free and clear of the price action, but the conversion line and the baseline are intersecting, so it kind of just tells us there's too much compression right now, and it's not the most ideal circumstance to take a long. So macro, transitionary timeframes are all telling us we're in pretty good shape. Hourly is telling us we're figuring it out. Okay, so if you want to take a long right now, of course, make sure you use low leverage, low position size, and adjust your stop losses a little bit higher to ensure that you secure profit as the price goes up. Okay, for right now though, honestly at this point, I would just wait for a candlestick closure today on this coin to see kind of where we stand. Hopefully that made sense. I described that correctly. I deeply appreciate you watching. Make sure you like the video before you go. Comment below if you haven't already. Join us over at BitUnix, phenomenal exchange. We trade Render and many other coins on this exchange. No KYC or VPN required. Be sure to use my links so you benefit from those rewards. But I can tell you they're going to benefit you greatly and you're going to love them. No KYC or VPN for my US, Canadian members. A lot of other countries too, of course. So Anyways, thanks again, BitUnix, and thank you too for being an awesome part of my life. We'll see you in the next video. Have a great rest of your day. Take care.